got a life to live. I've got a life to live. I've got a life to live.
हेलो दोस्तों, व्हाट इज अप गाइस, कैसे हो आप सब। आई होप सब आप बहुत अच्छे हो, मेरा डाइट टिप्स ज़रूर फॉलो कर रहे हो। तो और बताओ कैसा चल रहा है लॉकडाउन। आई नो मेरा भी बहुत बोरिंग जा रहा है, बिल्कुल आपकी तरह। दिन भर बस बेड पे लेटे रहता हूँ या फिर कुछ खाते रहता हूँ या फिर कोई सीरीज़ देखते रहता हूँ। बस कुछ ही नहीं है ज़िंदगी में करने के लिए। लाइफ नंब सी हो गई है, कहीं जाना नहीं होता, किसी को मिलना नहीं होता, नीचे उतरते हैं तो भी थोड़ी देर के लिए और फिर वापस घर आ जाना होता है। आई नो हम लिटरली इन चार दीवारों के बीच कैद हो चुके हैं। आई डोंट नो कब ख़त्म होगा, बट हाँ तब तक हमें कोऑपरेट करना पड़ेगा, अपने घरों में रहना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि हमें सेफ रहना है ना, तो करना पड़ेगा कोई और ऑप्शन नहीं है। तो लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो। सो कभी कभार तो नीचे चले जाना ही पड़ता है, किसी को मिलना हो, किसी से कोई काम हो, या फिर कभी कोई सामान खरीदना हो, या फिर कुछ अर्जेंट नीड आ गई हो, तो ऑब्वियसली हमें नीचे जाना पड़ता है। तो ऐसे जंगली बन के नीचे जाना बहुत अजीब लगता है। ट्रस्ट में आपको थोड़ा बहुत डिसेंट तो दिखना ही पड़ेगा, वरना आप ऐसी शॉर्ट्स में उठ के चले जाओगे अपना गंदा सा हुलिया लेके, वो के उठा हुआ फेस लेके, तो इट जस्ट लुक डिस्गस्टिंग। तो सबसे बड़ा सवाल है कैसे। तो हम सब कुछ संभाल ले, अच्छा ड्रेसअप हो ले, बट ये बाल कैसे संभालेंगे। जो चिड़िया का घोंसला होगा वो पड़ा है, उसको कैसे संभालोगे आप। आई नो मैनी ऑफ अस आर फेसिंग प्रॉब्लम्स विद द हेयर राइट नाउ। वो बस बढ़ते चले जा रहे हो, उन्हें कंट्रोल में नहीं ला पा रहे हो आप। और फिलहाल कोई सैलून शॉप्स उगड़े भी नहीं है, खुले भी नहीं है। तो आपके पास दो चीज़ें, इनको अच्छे से स्टाइल कीजिए या फिर इन्हें काट दीजिए। खुद से काटना आई नो बहुत डिफिकल्ट है, बट मैं उस पर भी जल्दी एक वीडियो बनाऊंगा। अंटिल देन लेट्स लर्न हाउ मैं अपने बाल संभालता हूँ, इन लंबे लंबे बालों को कैसे मैनेज करता हूँ। ट्रस्ट में अगर आप ये 3 टिप्स फॉलो करोगे ना, तो आपकी हेयर स्टाइल ऐसे से बहुत अच्छी बन जाएगी। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी टाइम लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। हाय माय नेम इज श्रेय एंड यू आर वाचिंग शेड इट। लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो। So basically long hair can be really tricky to manage, but if you know the right tricks you will be able to handle them within a flick, or else वो बाल ऐसे हो जाएंगे। Look at this, क्या घोंसला है ये, क्या है ये। तो आज मैं आपको ऐसे 3 हेयर स्टाइल्स बताऊंगा which you can pull off without any hard work. You can do them and you'll instantly look much better by having a well mannered and decent hairstyle. And trust me, आप कोई चांस नहीं लेना चाहते नीचे जाते वक्त या कहीं पे भी जाते वक्त, क्योंकि क्या पता कोई खूबसूरत महिला दिख जाए। मुझे तो नहीं मिलती कभी, बट शायद आपको मिल जाए। सो चांसेस क्यों लेने। टू हेल्प यू आउट विद दैट आई एम गोना बी मेकिंग दिस प्रोसेस रियली इजी। कुछ नहीं करना है, इट्स रियली इजी। सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग एनी फर्दर टाइम लेट्स गेट इनटू द फर्स्ट ट्रिक। So the first trick is mainly if you are attending Zoom calls or any meetings and you do not want to have this चिड़िया के घोंसले वाला look. So without wasting any further time, I'll just go wash my hair and then we'll dry them off and then we'll start with the first hairstyle. So I washed my hair. The next thing I'm going to do is get a towel and just dry this off. Always remember, whenever you wipe your hair with a towel or a napkin, don't do this and rub it out. Just damp upon it. Because whenever you just rub out your hair, there are chances that it might get damaged and that can also lead to split ends. So just damp your hair and if you want, you can just smoothly rub them off. Don't do it really harsh, just smoothly rub them off. The next step is get yourself some oil and just apply 2-3 drops, not more than that. Just apply 2-3 dots to have that conditioned and really smooth effect on your hair throughout the day. So I'm just taking 2 drops, that's enough, and I'll just rub it out in my hair. So the oil I used was almond oil, but you can use anything, literally any oil. Just don't exceed more than 2-3 drops because then your hair will get oily and that can really affect your styling process. So 2-3 drops is more than enough. So the next thing I'm going to do is get myself a blow dryer and blow dry my hair, and we'll begin the further process. Just remember, don't take your dryer too close to your hair or that can lead to hair damage. Just do it from far away and don't apply much pressure on it.
Let's make this one.
So the main thing you need to focus on while your hair is grown is these sides. These can really annoy you much. You have to manage them a lot. That will help your hairstyle look much better. Trust. The next thing you have to do is get yourself some Max or some hair pomade.
Money.
I mainly use the hair product which Blue Man sells, but now it has some shipping issues. So with this product you must first through. You can buy this from any online site like Amazon or Flipkart, and it's not that hefty. It will save you some bucks, and just go check it out. Got a paid sponsorship, so yeah, let's continue and begin. I'll just take little amount of this. I don't want to exceed. We'll take more if required. So but for right now, this much is enough. Okay, so now get your comb and yourself a blow dryer and just comb your hair in the way, in the direction it's wants to go. Just listen to your hair and that will be really easy.
Let's make this one.
While managing the sides, just take care of these sections and flip them back. Listen to your hair and make them go in the direction they want to go. Do not oppose the direction of your hair because that will help you a lot in making the styling process much easier. So yeah, it's that easy. You can get a professional look and a classic look within minutes, and this is the most simplest and easy look you can grab on. The next one I'm going to show you are easier than this, and trust me, they will take a lot less time than this took me. So let's get into it. Okay, so I washed my hair unlike before. Let's just dry it out with a towel and then we'll begin with the further process. Second hairstyle will give kind of beachy and kind of I don't care vibe, but it will also look really amazing, and you'll have to put really less effort into this because it's kind of a messy look, but trust me, it looks really good at the same time. So I'll just blow dry my hair now. And now, like before, just 2 drops of oil, not much. Oil will help you keep your hair really healthy, and that will help you pull off your style in a much greater way throughout the day. So don't forget to use this tip. I'm gonna get some wax and style my hair. The best part of this wax is you can wash it away just with water. So this time you can just let your hair fall forward and give it a more greasy and beachy kind of vibe. Finally blow dry my hair now and give it a finishing look. So yeah, that was the second, and it's really easy to pull out, and you don't even need much efforts to handle your hair. You just let the hair go in any direction it wants, and when can be your friend when it comes to this hairstyle. You just let your hair go in the direction it wants to go, and that will modify the hairstyle, give it a whole new look every time it gets messed up and moved. Into the third one, trust me, this takes literally no effort, so let's just hop on into that. Okay, so like before, I've just washed my hair and let's just clean it with a towel. Now I'll just blow dry it. Don't blow dry your hair much in this hairstyle because blow drying is only required for this one to get your hair dry, and you can also let that happen naturally. So if you can avoid using a blow dryer, just go for it, or else use a blow dryer to just dry your hair, but don't get the blow dryer too close in this one. So the next thing you're going to do is, yeah, you guessed it correctly, get 2-3 drops of oil to have that conditioned effect all day long and to maintain a healthy hair growth. apply it out throughout your hair. The main thing you need to remember is whenever you apply wax, don't apply them deep into the roots. बस उनको ऐसे ऊपर से लगाइए, क्योंकि if you apply your wax into the roots, that will damage your roots and that can lead to hair damage and many hair problems. Get a comb and just slick back your hair. The next thing you're going to do is get a beanie or a cap and wear it on, because that will help you to keep your hair in the place, and then when you reach your destination you can just take it off. Okay, so I'll leave this just like this for some time and then I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so it's almost been like half an hour and मैं नीचे उतरा था कुछ काम से, so I thought what better time than this to check out how the end results are. So let's just take off the beanie and show you all the end results. Okay, so I didn't think this would give me this good results. And to be honest, even I am trying this trick for the third time, so I didn't think इतने अच्छे results आएंगे. And thanks a lot for watching. Comment करके बताइए मुझे कि आपको तीनों में से कौन से hairstyles अच्छे लगे. And also like the video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon if you want to get notified every time I upload a new video. And हाँ, share कीजिए and keep supporting. Thank you all for your love. Oh, also one more thing, I have finally crossed 100 subscribers. I know that's not much, but yeah, that's something for me. For all the love you showered me. Stay fit, stay safe, stay hydrated. Hasta la vista, all you beautiful people. Love from the heart. Bye bye.